Some folks ask me what are some of the common issues we find in older homes. Roofs, asphalt shingles, and furnaces typically last 20 to 25 years. If your house is that vintage or older, those might be an issue. Most other components in a house, water heaters and kitchen appliances and things, air conditioners last 12 to 15 years. On the outside of a house, if your house is older, we find a lot of rotten wood. That's why they don't use much wood on the exterior of houses anymore. It's all plastic. Another issue we find are dealing with water issues on the outside of a house. Grading and downspouts are important to keep in the basement dry. Older houses often had issues with that. But beyond that, there are materials that builders use, much to everybody's regret, or they're just worn out. For example, plumbing pipes. If you have a steel yard line bringing water in from a utility company, you should be thinking about that as at the end of its service life. Polybutylene is a plastic pipe that was problematic as a yard line and also inside the house. Electrically, aluminum wire is a fire concern, fire hazard. And then fire sprinkler heads. There are some that have been recalled because they were defective. There are also hidden issues that we find during an inspection. Termite damage. If a deck is not properly flashed to a house, then we get a lot of water damage inside the house because of water getting in between the deck and the house. And also wet basement issues are very common on older houses. One of the biggest things we see in older homes are basements that were finished by the homeowners. And that translates into improperly wired outlets, no air conditioning or heat oftentimes, and plumbing systems, bathrooms that were installed without proper venting or just without proper plumbing hookups. So those are just some of the things we tend to find on older houses. Thanks for listening.